by changing things and admitting to the issue, they reflect on themselves, and so they are reluctant to do that. We're talking with Mona Davids, head of the New York City Parents Union. Mona, what's going on between you and Campbell Brown and the Partnership for Education? Why are you guys fighting with each other? It sounds like you're headed down the same road. What's the problem?
Well, the problem there is, one, I am the lead plaintiff in Davids v. New York, which is the case that is moving forward, the now consolidated case. With the New York City Parents Union, as soon as Vergara was announced, we were inspired and we were empowered, and we immediately announced within the hour that we will be filing the same lawsuit here in New York State. We filed, we served first. We've been moving ahead first with this lawsuit, independent parents. We're not funded by secret funders. We're parents in the system, parent leaders, parent activists that have been fighting this fight for many years. And, we were very happy when we were contacted by Students Matters and Gibson Dunn, and they wanted to join our case. But unfortunately, once the Attorney General decided to consolidate the cases, Campbell Brown and her people didn't react okay to it, because now there would be no more Wright v. New York, which is PEJ's case. According to the Attorney General, it would be folded into our case, and it would be part of the New York City Parents Union's case, Davids v. New York. And there was such intense bullying behind the scenes. Ms. Brown was in touch with our attorneys without our knowledge. Eventually, the bullying got so bad that Gibson Dunn withdrew, as did Students Matter, after rolling out such pomp and ceremony, saying they're actually going to support independent grassroots public school parents that are fighting against Goliath. So
Mona, what do you mean by bullying? Define that.
Okay, to define bullying, what happened was Campbell Brown and people from her camp told our lawyers at Gibson Dunn that if they don't withdraw from representing us, that they would lose clients that bring in millions to the firm. Then, in addition to that, they also threatened Dave Welch, who is the founder of the nonprofit Students Matter that brought in the Vergara lawsuit in California. So they threatened Dave Welch and Students Matters funders. And then the public relations company, Rally, that works for Students Matter, were also threatened. They lost a client, and they were threatened with more clients if they continued to represent us. This only started happening after the Attorney General filed the motion to consolidate the cases, thus leaving Davids v. New York standing and folding PEJ's case that they filed a month after ours out. So now there is only Davids v. New York. There is no more Wright v. New York, and their plaintiffs have been folded into our lawsuit.
All right. Now, I'm curious because the Campbell Brown Group, Partnership for Education, they were definitely trying to, in the same vein as California, have tenure eliminated or found unconstitutional. It seems like it's a shame that there's so much infighting going on here, because I suspect it's just going to be an albatross around everybody's neck trying to get to the same goal of better education.
No, I completely agree with you. And, from the beginning, we were very, very supportive of PEJ when they filed. We issued a press release in support of them. We were very happy to hear that David Boies had joined their board. We publicly announced it. We've been very supportive of them. But just because we are parents, just because we are public school parents, just because we may be poor, low-income, Black, and Hispanic, does not mean that we don't know how to speak for ourselves. This is just one lawsuit that we're on. We're on a school funding lawsuit. We've been on other lawsuits. And yes, we are regular mom, dads, public school parents. We're independent. We don't have a lot of money. But, John, we're quite capable of advocating for our children. We are articulate. These are our children.
Yeah, but
we are public
I understand that, but
that should be respected. We should not be bullied.
Yeah, no, I understand. You shouldn't be bullied, but there's missed opportunity here. I think if the more the merrier, so to speak.
Oh,
I gotta
absolutely.
Yeah. No, I got to leave it here, Mona, but we'll talk again. And this is something that's important to me. And so this is a topic that will get discussed more than one more time. So thanks for your time this morning. And I'll keep an eye on what's going on.
Thank you. Bye-bye.
All right, Mona. Thank you very much. Mona Davis from the New York City Parents Union.